Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the vector graphic block in WordPress Kadence. This is part of a series of videos taking a look at Kadence's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page and look at this block on its own. So there's a couple ways to do that, and the first one is if you're on the front end of your website, you'll have this top toolbar, hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, head over to your left-hand sidebar, down to Pages, and click on Add Page. Before we continue any further, let's do some housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's this button beside Publish. Just click on that, and this is where all of the settings for our block to toggle and configure will show up. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized, and last but not least, let's go ahead and add the block itself. So there's this blue button on the top left called the block inserter. Click on that, and you can either search for the block or scroll down. Since Kadence is on top of the list for us, we don't have to go down too far, and it's right here. Just click on that and drag and drop it into our workspace. Now, by default, the placeholder image is this WordPress logo. Now, we have only a few options here. If we already have some vector graphics up on our backend, we can choose them from here. But in order to add a new one, let's go ahead and click on here and give it just a title, cat. And then we can paste our vector graphic code. Okay, so you'll have to open up your SVG and then get the code for it, and then just copy and paste it down here, and then click on Save. And you'll see that we will have our vector graphic over here. Now we have our width settings, and we have our maximum width depending on desktop, tablet, and mobile. So we can set that up for each one of them, and then we can set this to be 599, 600 something on desktop. On tablet, we want it to be 454. On mobile, we want it to be a bit smaller. Okay. And I think that sounds reasonable, and that's one of the reasons why you would want to use a vector graphic on your website, is that it scales nicely without getting pixelated or messed up. And for our advanced settings, we don't have much, just our padding and our margins. Again, desktop, tablet, and our mobile. HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. So let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at the end result on our live site. All right, now that that's done saving, let's go ahead and click on View Live Page, and here we are on our site. Let's go ahead and click on our F12 menu and take a look at desktop and mobile, and you can see it scales appropriately. So there's using the vector graphic block from Kadence. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.